Alright guys, listen. Today we've got an important video. This sneaker has the potential to become the best colorway of its sneaker model. And I've been very vocal in the past about what my favorite colorway is. I've been beating the hell out of that colorway for the past few months at least. So yeah, this one has a lot of potential to become my new favorite, but who knows? We gotta take it out and we gotta take a look. So let's do just that. Today we're taking a look at the Yeezy 380 Alien Blue. Alright, so here we got the box. I mean, you guys know exactly what's up. The 380 and of course the Boost. I'll give you a look at that size tag for anybody who cares. And let's slide these open. Man, I'm excited to get these on and check them out. Today's pair of sneakers, guys. The Yeezy 380 Alien Blue. Wow, so here these are. I mean, I've been excited and anticipating this pair of shoes for a long time, ever since they first got leaked or rumored. And I always get excited when there's a new super clean colorway of the Yeezy 380. I mean, we all kind of know that some of the past colorways haven't been, you know, the most fan favorites, but this colorway, I think this one changes it. These actually don't release until May the 31st, and of course when they do release, they're going to be retailing for £220 here in the UK or $250, which is just slightly more than some Yeezy 380s, and that's because these actually are all over reflective. So they decided to get rid of the reflective and non-reflective variants, and they're just releasing one all over reflective option. But you know what I'm actually a fan of? Like, why make two different versions with such a very small fraction of a difference? I feel like just make them all reflective or make them all non-reflective. Either way, I don't really mind. So if you've been watching the channel, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a pretty big fan of the Yeezy 380 silhouette. And the favorite colorway of mine so far, what I was kind of talking about in the beginning of the video, was of course the Yeezy 380 calcite. So yeah, if you wanted a little side-by-side comparison, well, here you go. You've got the clean, almost all white calcite at the top, and then you have the little bit more of an alien vibe with this alien blue colorway. So obviously this one takes after the original or the first colorway of the Yeezy 380 that was called the Alien. This one's called Alien Blue. So there are a lot of similarities between the two. However, there are some differences which I think separate it quite nicely. So in terms of the upper, you're getting a very, very similar look to that original Alien colorway. So if that was a colorway that you really liked, you don't want to pay the resale, and you just never got your hands on it, well, I think this is definitely a solid option. So this alien-like pattern that you see it's kind of a mix of white and grey. And on this color, I believe because of the reflective knit, this grey looks a little bit lighter than the original Alien, so that's why you get kind of a little bit of a color difference. And then some of the differences, of course, is going to be the semi-translucent stripe that you see on the outside. I call this the scratch mark because it does look like an Alien scratch mark. Now you can see this one comes in a tint of light green, which I actually quite like. I think it looks pretty cool. I feel like because of the color option they chose for this semi-translucent stripe, you can see through it a lot clearer. So you can see the kind of cage underneath that holds everything together when you look at the side of the shoe. Something that wasn't a part of the original Aliens back in the day was the infinity looped lacing system. So yeah, that is present on here. For me personally, I really don't mind it. However, on my personal pair of calcites, I decided to cut these off and just go with regular laces, and now I'm perfectly happy with that. And to be honest, I'm probably gonna cut these off when I actually end up wearing these, just because I kind of like the look of wearing these when it has that like unlaced style to it, and that's how I wear my calcites. So I'm probably gonna be doing the exact same with this pair of shoes. Now, of course, you do get an extra pair of laces in the box, and this is just exactly the same kind of off-white or grayish white of a color. It matches the infinity laces, so you have no issues just cutting these off and replacing it with other laces. Now, if you did want a tutorial on how to cut these off so that you don't completely just ruin your infinity looped lacing system, I did make a video on that, and I will link it down in the description below. So the midsole comes in this kind of blue color, which I think actually looks super clean. It goes with the shoe so well. I really like the tone of blue that they used with this. I think it matches up super nicely. One thing they brought over from the original Alien colorway is the Alien pattern that moves around the midsole, and I gotta say, this is one of my favorite touches that we haven't seen on a lot of the other 380s. Like, if you take a look at this calcite pair, it just looks smooth, solid, and you don't get that pattern. With this one, you do, and I think that really makes the shoe extra Alien. Now, the 380 of course has full length boost. This is one of the most comfortable Yeezy sneakers out of the entire lineup. So that's not just by my standards, but a lot of people have mentioned that you get a really nice thick boost stack all the way throughout the midsole. And of course you have the nice prime knit upper, which matches perfectly with this boost midsole. So if you haven't tried a pair of 380s, I definitely would suggest it. It's an awesome looking pair of shoes. It's super comfortable, and a lot of the times you can find them at a bargain. And in terms of sizing, I would recommend going a half size up. I feel like that's where you find the best fit, particularly around the toe box. This seems to be a little bit more snug, and of course around the ankle area as well. So I think you will definitely be thankful if you go up a half size. Another thing that I really like about the Yeezy 380 is they don't go crazy for the resale value. So you can end up picking these up for retail, or on some of the colorways under retail, and that's always a pro in my books when they're easily accessible. But again, let me know what you think of the Yeezy 380 Alien Blue down in the comment section. Is this your new favorite colorway, or do you have another favorite of the Yeezy 380 model? I'd be super interested to know, guys, so let me know down in the comments. And of course, that pretty much wraps it up. I want to thank you guys so much for coming through, hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.